Alright, so we have run our inspection on this car. Alright, this is where the pump is located. This is the back left wheel and down there. We have run some checks on the system. We check if this have any leak. We pressure test it. There's no leak in this. We also check if there's any leak in the line here, from here to here. There's no leak also. We put on this hose here, or we put some pressure to it. It maintains pressure, so there's no leak there. But I think this is our culprit right here. This pump, this is a no-brainer. Yeah, this is some Taiwan pump. This pump is no good. So we're gonna just change this and see how it goes from here. So we'll update you guys again on our next video as we go along.